Hello, my name is Latrina, and I've made this custom video for you free of charge to show tips and tricks to improve your online presence. This is a community service that I am doing along with my teenage sons. As part of our business, we're wanting to help out after the pandemic and reach out to small businesses to show them how to improve their online presence. So that's what this video will be for. Your feedback is very important. As I mentioned, this is free of charge. I make this custom for every single business. It's not a cookie cutter video at all, and hoping to bring value and service. But would it be too ridiculous to ask for your feedback afterwards? A simple email just letting me know yes or no if you found this to be helpful will help me to gauge whether these are serving value in the community. So let me get started. What I'll cover in your video is content, backlinks, and citations and why these are important website elements. And then we'll go over your company's online presence and recommendations for improvement. So content is anything on your website, such as words, images, videos, etc. Content is important because it allows you to get the relevant keywords, those things that people are actually typing into Google to find your services in the first place. Ideally, your homepage would have 1,500 words at least, and 500 words at least on your back pages. Seems like a lot, but this definitely helps you to outrank your competition. Citations are the listings you get in Google, Yellow Pages, Yelp. I do have an example here on the screen for you. Business name, address, and phone number is what the citation is made out of. And you want to have as many of these throughout the internet as you can get, and even more than your competitors. Then there are backlinks, and these are the placement of your website address on other websites. For example, if you have Facebook, Yellow Pages, Wikipedia, any of those, they help direct traffic to your website. And the more backlinks you have, the more popular your website becomes. Google places high emphasis on how many backlinks a website has, and this is how they validate a business. If you don't have many backlinks, your business is perceived to be illegitimate. If you have many, Google ranks you high because they consider you to be a validated, legitimate company. But not all backlinks are created equal, so I do caution small businesses from the urge to throw up a bunch of backlinks on any and all websites that you can find. You want to stay in your service area. So you are a roofing company, you do siding, those kinds of things. So anything related to home improvement, roofing, siding, repairs, those kinds of things, that would be your service area. And Google would rank you high for that. So let's take a look at your website, which I have not a whole lot of feedback for. It looks well put together. I would recommend more content. As I mentioned, 1,500 words is the minimum that I would have. It sounds like a lot, but truly it boosts your website and helps you to outrank your competitors, okay? Because a lot of times people are just throwing up quick websites and they don't have very much on there. Google searches and crawls your website, and if you have a lot of content, you're automatically boosted up, okay? The other thing is I would take a look at how your website is structured right now. This banner here is covering up some of your header here. So you want to move that over, make it smaller or something, because you can see some of your content here in your tab is being covered up. Now let's take a look at your images. Mars Roofing, Maryland roof replacement. That's helpful. You want to make sure you save all of your images, pictures, graphics, any of those with relevant keywords. So this is a good start. It's not perfect because you do have some characters here that don't really contribute, but Mars Roofing, Maryland roof replacement would be good. Siding repairs, doors and window repair, and then be even more specific and make keywords related to where that you are. So door services in Clinton, Maryland, for example, anything like that that people are actually potentially typing into Google. If you wanted to know like what kind of keywords you could use, if you started typing in roof, you'll see some like roofing contractors, Frederick, Maryland. Of course, you're not in Frederick, but that would be like a start, right? Roof replacement, roof contractors, roof repair. And to make your keywords even more specific is you'd put the cities in here afterwards, okay? And that would definitely help you and help Google to place, to rank you appropriately. So if we look in Google right now and we take a look at the roofing contractors in Maryland or Clinton, Maryland, at the very top, we're going to see some ads. Ads are okay, but sometimes people don't see them if they have ad blockers. So we have to take that into consideration. Also, home advisors, Angie's List, those kinds of things that are showing up here. If you use those, it's okay, but just know that you are paying for leads that you're sharing with other companies. So whenever they give you a lead, you're paying for that click, but four other companies got that same lead at the same time. So to me, it's not the best bang for your buck. To me, there are things you can do actually to your website and free yourself and rank organically. Now, when I say rank organically, that means just have an up-to-date, optimized website, have your website throughout the internet so people can find you. On Google, the prime real estate is called the map pack, and this is where Google puts their top companies, and you see you're in there, so you're doing something right, because of the fact that you are in here. So you want to hold on to that placement. Also, Google then ranks companies and puts them on the first pages based on their ranking. But what I tell business owners is you want to be on the first 2 pages, maybe no further than the third, because most people are not going that far in Google. When they are looking for services, they want to make a decision right then and right there. They want someone now. So 30 to 40% of decision making in Google and clicking takes place here in the map pack. And then the rest are on the first and second pages, okay? So you really want to just make sure you stay here at the top of the list or on the first and second pages. If we take a look at your data right now, you have quite a few backlinks, which is helping you. On a scale of 1 to 100, you have a score of 10 in popularity on Google. You have 40 domains and 7 organic keywords. Again, I would beef this up. You want to get these more specific. Right now, you have like Mars Restoration, Mars Roofing. This is okay if people are searching specifically for you, but you want to gain customers you don't already have, right? You want to increase your customer base. So Roofer Southern Maryland, that's okay. Roofing Southern Maryland, 100 people search that a month, 50 search this a month. What I would say is expand on this. Roofing companies in Southern Maryland, get more specific. Talk about siding repair that you do. You have services here, roofing, but you also have windows and door services that you provide. You also, I thought I saw on your website that you do siding replacement and things like that. So call out those services as well. Yeah, residential roofing, siding, call out all of the services that you provide, because that's what people are going to be searching for, right, in Google. And you want to give yourself a fair shake in this game. So what I say, if you do all of those things, you will significantly increase your website traffic. You'll find that you start getting more clicks on Google, and you'll increase your popularity. All right, I hope this has been helpful. I am running out of time, so that's all the feedback I can give you right now. I do hope it's been helpful. Please, please, please give me some feedback. Let me know how I'm doing, because I can't improve if I don't get any feedback. Otherwise, I wish you much success in your business. Have a great day. Bye-bye.